Hello friends, in today's video we are going to cover the text to image generation. Okay, so in recent video I've covered text generation and text to speech generation. Okay, and now we will cover image generation. So it is simple. We will generate images from the OpenAI free API. Okay, actually it is not free. If you go to this website platform.openai.com and go to usage on the right side, sorry, on the left side, and you will see on here I've used 0.20 dollars. Okay, and I have $5 limit. Okay, so this is in our free OpenAI account. You can increase its limit. Okay, so you can generate images from here. It will charge very low amount. Okay, let me show you. And first we will go to our image generation. Okay, and it is quite simple. Okay, and here it is saying that we can use del E and del 2 to generate images. Okay, and now I am on free tier. That $5 are on free tier, so I cannot use del E. Instead we will use del E2, which is fine. Okay, we can create images of this dimensions. Okay, and here you can read all of this. Okay, by default it is standard, but we can also use HD quality, and then we can use more than one image at a time with the n parameter. Okay, so let's use this code. Okay, and by the way, you can also use other methods to generate images. Okay, I am covering the Python method. Okay, I am pasting here, and here I will use my API key. So if you have not seen my earlier video, then you can see it. Make sure you have OpenAI installed and the key is in the right path. If you have not seen, then you can see it from the description. Okay, and here I've placed the GPT key. Okay, you can get it from your account, and here I can import it. Oops, it should be import, and here I can pass my key. API key should be API key, the imported one. Okay, so now our client has been initialized. I've copied this code. So our model would be del E2. Okay, which is fine. Okay, its size should be standard. Size should be 1024 by 1024, and quality should be standard, or you can also set it to HD. Okay, and now we will create only one image. Here we will get the image URL. Okay, so here what we can generate. Okay, uh, girl with rainbow and park. Okay, so this is a simple image in HD quality, and then we can print the image URL. Okay, so let's save it, and let me show you. If I run it, Python text to image.py. Okay, so it is sending request and getting the image. Image generation takes some time. Okay, if you want lots of images generated by free, then you can also see my playground.ai video, which is free. Okay, let me copy this URL. Okay, I've copied it. Go here and paste it. Okay, so here you can see this is a realistic image. Okay, a girl with rainbow, but some parts of it is missing. Okay, so I think because I am on free part, or this has not generated a full image. Let's change it to standard. Okay, and let's see what happens. A girl with a rainbow, or we can use a girl with a dog. Okay, should be and I'm like. Okay, let's see if it works better than the previous one. Okay, and you can also save this image. Okay, so here is the URL. I can copy it and then open it here. Okay, you can see it is pretty fine and cool. Okay, you can see it is like an art, a digital art. Okay, so this image is very cool. Okay, so that's for the image generation. Okay, okay, so if you want to save the image, so we can also save the image. Okay, I've changed the prompt here. Okay, so for saving the image we have to import request. By the way, you have to install the request library. Okay, request sr, then I can get the content of this image r.get. We can call the image URL. Okay, then simply we can open a file. Oops. And here the image are in bytes, so we can give write bytes as file. Okay, and then we can simply file.write. Here we can give the rest.content. That's it. Let me run the code. Okay, now as you can see there is no error. If I go to image, here you can see this image size is 1024 by 1024. Okay, it's a big image. Okay, so that's it for now. Okay, let me know if you want others